Hey guys, just a short voiceover. Before I resticker this cube, I cleaned the cube yesterday because it was really dirty, mostly on the car part. So yeah, bye guys, enjoy the video.
Been a million places, and never see a million faces, but I feel supernatural. 'Cause the spark is electric. For every part of me, I feel it. I know it all comes back to you. I can't walk away, but I can't explain forces in my veins. You're cosmic. Oh, oh, cosmic.
I took a break from stickering this puzzle because the memory on this camera is almost full. So I passed the files on my computer. Also, before I start stickering this puzzle, I need to wipe these dirts first.
You control the dark.
The cube is now cleaned. I wipe it off with this tissue and the method that JR cubers use on the stickering puzzles. So now I'm gonna be stickering this one. Wish me luck.
The atmosphere, you hold my heart, you break these fears, 'cause you alive.
It's pretty neat.
I got a heart shaped holding me. You're the center of my galaxy. You're a space in me that never stops dreaming, never stops feeling.
It's kinda ugly.
Cosmic. You're cosmic.
Hey guys, so I'm finally done now on stickering this puzzle and I haven't turned it yet. The shades look really great. Let's do a checkerboard pattern. Wow. Also, you can see that there are a lot of air bubbles, mostly on the yellow side. I think this will be my favorite color scheme now, if we Brexit. But it will also affect my recognition on other cubes. So, I'm returning this now. Also, some stickers here are not aligned properly, like this one. Also on the yellow side, like I said, there are a lot of air bubbles in there. So yeah, stickering puzzles is really fun to do, and also making a video when you do it. Also, the red looks pinkish when it's too bright like this, but it doesn't look like that out of camera. I don't know what I'm going to do with these stickers that I just filled up. think I'm going to stick it on my phone case. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.